Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Just today, we have another story where a good guy with a gun saves the day. In central Illinois, about 100 miles west of Chicago at Dixon High School, 8 a.m., a 19-year-old suspect shows up and begins to open fire by the gymnasium. There must have been chaos all over the place. The school did have a resource officer. He made his way to the suspect, 19-year-old punk, and confronts him. The kid begins to shoot at the school officer. He returns fire and injures the kid. It did not kill the kid, but it injured and stopped the threat. Now, many people are saying, it could have been so much worse. This was a horrible situation. The school went on lockdown. They moved all the kids out of the school. The parents came and picked up the kids at a nearby park, and it was a chaotic situation, but it was ended with a good guy with a gun. Okay, now we see this. We just saw in March the same almost identical thing happened where somebody did get injured and killed. However, it could have been much worse in Maryland when the exact same thing happened. The school resource officer returned fire and ended the threat. Now, these are the type of stories that we see, but it's not on the mainstream media. Like, where is it? I remember in March when the same thing happened in Maryland where the resource officer locally was hailed as a hero, like somebody who stopped so many potential injuries and deaths. It was never on the mainstream media. I didn't see it on the news, and if we did, we saw a little blurb down below. Hey, oh, by the way, this is the type of stuff we need to celebrate. We need to share this information. We have a good guy with a gun who went to the threat and ended it. In this case, at Dixon High School, no students were killed, no students were injured. The only one who was shot was the 19-year-old punk who went into the school with evil intentions to inflict harm, to inflict pain, chaos, fear into all those people, and he was the only one who was injured. It looks like he's going to live. The school is in a panic situation, trying to figure out exactly why he did this. Very little is being reported. You won't see it on your mainstream media, but you will see it here because we need to celebrate things like this. We also need to spread the word that good guys with guns save lives. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.